Welcome to CNC. The College of New Caledonia serves learners from 22 First Nations, and this CNC's campus is located on the beautiful traditional territory of the CALEDONIA First Nations. The College of New Caledonia spans across central and northern BC, so with CNC's 6 campuses, we welcome learners in Prince George, Burns Lake, Quesnel, Mackenzie, Fort St. James, and Vanderhoof. Annually, around 6,000 students walk the halls of CNC's campuses. Over 80 programs at CNC open doors to students whether you're choosing to immediately enter the job force or carry on in your studies. As BC's second most affordable college, obtaining a quality education won't break the bank. Living in Prince George, you save over 35% on housing and other living costs. Plus, there's lots to do here. While we are best known for our outdoor lifestyle, Prince George has something for everyone. The top 3 transfer programs I like to mention is first starting with the Applied Science Engineering Diploma. This one's really cool because you can transfer to UBC and skip their competitive intake process, as well as the Fine Arts Certificate, which allows you to do the same and transfer into Emily Carr University. And finally, the Social Service Worker University Transfer Diploma, which transfers right up to UNBC, which is about 5 minutes up the hill from our institution. There are lots of student supports at CNC. We have very knowledgeable and friendly staff that are always around to help you out on your educational journey. It's also a really welcoming and friendly campus. Making friends is a little easier with smaller class sizes, and we have a lot of campus events. So we have orientation, we have stress busters, and we have various holiday celebrations, which allow you to find opportunities to get together with friends and get together with other students you haven't met before. We also have a Peer Connections program. This program pairs a first-year student with a second-year student. They can help you to answer questions, tell you about college services, show you around campus, and introduce you to other students. For some people, working backwards is best. Figure out your end goal and determine what steps you need to take to get there. We can help you with this. For other people, they might be unsure about where their education can take them, and that's okay. If you have a starting point, we can work with you to set out some career or educational pathways. A great starting point is the BC Transfer Guide. You can enter in what courses you have taken and from what institution, and you can see what the equivalent at CNC would be. This will give you a good idea about what's possible to transfer.